Not all divorces have to be difficult. Sometimes couples just grow apart. You may still care about your partner, but the spark is gone and you both feel the same way. If you do not want to fight about property, any children, or even your debt, you may be able to file for an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce in Texas is when both parties agree to get divorced and agree on all the terms in the divorce agreement. The fewer issues there are to argue about, the greater the likelihood of reaching an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce usually occurs when there are no kids and little or no property to divide. An uncontested divorce is usually not very expensive because there is nothing to fight over. Some people try to do an uncontested divorce on their own without hiring a lawyer. And that's okay. If you can do it, more power to you. Most people will still want to hire an attorney to handle the divorce. That's because you have to file a lawsuit. You have to draft and file the right documents. And you have to file them in the right court. Then you have to draft the agreement, and you have to appear in front of the judge and testify about the terms of the agreement. Hiring a lawyer makes sure that this is all done right, and it relieves you of the burden of figuring it out all by yourself. Plus, when it's uncontested, attorney's fees cost a lot less because there is nothing to fight over. You can get divorced quickly in Texas if it is uncontested. We do have a 60-day waiting period after you file for divorce, but once those 60 days pass, you can go to court and finalize the whole deal. It is always better to work out any disputes with your partner instead of fighting it out through the court system. Unfortunately, there are times that communications is so poor that you need legal assistance to resolve the disputes. Use of lawyers is always better than doing something that you will both regret or even sees police involvement.